Hello everyone. Today I'm going to harvest my potato in container. Let me see if I get anything. I don't see anything. That's only this. It's very small. Oh. Potato didn't get big. This is all potato I got. It's not a good harvest. Well, this is it. I have two more potatoes in container that I start much later. I'll harvest. I am thinking I'll get better result on those. This I start in indoor like February because this plant was already like 10-inch long growth in it, so I put it in the things. But I thought as it goes up, I add more soil and it will grow potato in it, but it didn't. I also didn't put very good fertilizer like good soil. So all leftover like orchid and leftover orchid soil and everything. So this is it for today. Thank you. Bye.